Welcome to my speed designing series. My name is Ashley, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a pattern in Photoshop. Now, you may have seen my earlier video on how to create a pattern in Illustrator. If you didn't, I will link it somewhere on the screen here, but since this is my speed designing series, we need to jump right in because I got to teach this to you in under 5 minutes or less. So here I have my logo, and I am placing my logo on each side of the document. I'm just snapping it here to the center. I'm going to duplicate it and place the other logo on the other side as well, snapping it in the center. I will duplicate my logo one more time and placing it in the bottom center. And here I'm just adjusting my logo. Then select all of your layers and go to Edit, Define Pattern. Rename your pattern and then go over here to your new document. You should see your pattern pop up in the Patterns Properties box. If you don't see it, go to Window, Patterns, and then drag and drop it into your new file and double click your pattern thumbnail, and you can change around the angle. You can also change the scale as well. As you can kind of see in my pattern, my spacing is a tad bit off. So you can always go back and play with your pattern or even start a totally new pattern. So give it a try in Adobe Photoshop and have fun with it. If you like what you saw today, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you want to grab some merch, head on over to threadedsouth.com. Thank you for watching.